to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much for being one of my little doll babies. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, and today that's what we're doing. We're doing a wig review. This was one of the wigs that was in my wig haul, so if you saw that video and you wanted to see one of the wigs, this is one of them. I'll put all the information on where you can purchase her down below. But today we have an Outre wig, and this is part of their Perfect Hairline 13x6 wig. It's a braided wig. Her name is India. I have her in the color 2. It says pre-braided styling, heat safe up to 400 degrees, but it's not. And then, you know, there was 2 different ways to style her. You'll see in the clips I thought about styling her like that, but I didn't because I was feeling that she looked a little bit better on me this way. I really like this wig. It's super comfortable. It's a light yaki texture, sort of that protein infused. The density is nice. It's not too much hair. This is all the hair to the front. She's given me like a 26-inch situation. The only qualm I have so far is, like, and this is personal preference, if you see that these curls go out, which I absolutely love, these ones go in. I hate when wigs do that. I know I can just retrain it, but it's like so annoying because I would prefer it to go out. The one thing to note is, like, I did have to put powder in all of the parts because with the braided wig, you know, you'd have more parts than you would in your, you know, if your hair was down. Took her from the back. Didn't get a ton of shedding. The wig cap is interesting. Oh, look at that movement. So pretty. The wig cap is interesting in that, like, the band helps. I often hate wearing, like, wig bands because I feel like it makes it too tight. But in this situation, I had to tighten the regular wig even more because it felt like it was slipping back. So it's doing a Motown tress where it's big this way, but it's short from here to here. So if you have watched any of my Motown tress videos, I always feel like their wig caps are slightly odd in that way, where they're larger wig caps this way, but not from, you know, hairline to nape. So that's just something to keep in mind. Other than that, she's very comfortable. Lace right here is a slight bit scratchy for a newer wig. It's not horrible, but it is something to note. So I would keep that in mind. Other than that, oh yeah, this is how I'm gonna wear her because I don't like that one side that flips out. This way I can accentuate the side that goes the way I want it. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, you know what, and the other thing is, I usually do not like the number 2 colors, but this is so pretty. It feels like it's giving me a little bit of dimension even though it's just a dark color. This is what she looks like. I'm really enjoying her. I don't think she's going to tangle too much. Just keep on her because she's a long wig. If you have this wig and you have any thoughts about her, put her down below. If you have any other wigs from this line and you would like me to review, put that down below. There's another Outre wig you want me to review, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!